Which dam? Which dam is this?
Ranganayaka.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going for a one-day trip to Ranganayaka Reservoir Dam. It is 120 kilometers away from Hyderabad and you can reach there in just 2 to 2.5 hours depending upon the speed that you're driving. So let's go there and see how it is.
Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
Which dam? Which dam is this?
Ranganayaka.
Sure.
Ranganayaka.
कौन में है?
ऐसे से था ऊपर देना।
हाँ और अच्छा था जी। ज़्यादा गिरा नहीं सकते गिरा दे।
अब धूप में आगे फोड़ने का तो कहाँ से नहीं दे।
So we started from our home around 10 a.m. and we reached there by 12:15. So it took us almost 2 hours and 10 minutes for us. So it was a nice drive. You have to drive towards Shamirpet and I think you get only 1 or 2 toll gates, and we reached around lunchtime, so hence nobody was there. The entire place was empty to us.
My mind can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
So this is the center lane that takes you to the small hilltop which is at the center of this reservoir. If you reach the top, you can get a 360 view of this particular reservoir, and you will not get any food. We went a couple of months back. Back then there were no stalls, nothing. So it's a good practice to carry your own food, your snacks and water. On the hilltop, it is difficult to find a place to sit, so I would suggest you again go down the same lane, and just below the reservoir you can get so much empty space where you can actually do your camping, which is quite safe and secured.
के बना तो बना इधर बोर्डिंग ज़्यादा अच्छा था। अच्छा देखो इसमें
वो रोड जाने है रास्ता है
नहीं बोर्डिंग ज़्यादा अच्छा था ये।
हाय,
अच्छा है नहीं अच्छा है।
ज़्यादा आगे जाओ ना प्लीज, जिंदगी तो करते छेद में। Once you drive down the hilltop, there is a lane which surrounds the entire hill. You can just take a small drive and you can have a look of the entire reservoir. The road was under construction when we went. I hope by now it is completely done.
అయినా పోనా దొరకని బ్యూటీ
Johnny, Johnny.
జానీ జానీ డాడీ ఫింగర్ आहान आहान
पीक कटेंगे पानी
आहान इधर आ जाओ अजी से एक बार ला लो इधर जल्दी
What is this?
एयर ब्लोअर
We found some tree shade where we decided to set up our camp. So here we are.
नहीं कैसे डाल सकते हैं ग्रेवी का नाम डालना
देखते हैं क्या
अच्छा
करते हैं
हवा अच्छा आना तो चंगार अच्छा लगता कोयले की महकारी मेरे को तो नहीं नहीं अच्छा करे भाई तू पूरा कहाँ तो भी गिरा हाँ अच्छी बात हाँ रेडी गो
So we quickly finished our lunch and took rest for some time, and as soon as the sun was down we decided to go back to the reservoir. As you can see, the place was under construction by now. I think it might be completely done. Very soon we are planning to go back again. Then maybe I'll give you a updated view of this location. However, by the time 4 to 5 p.m., so many families came to the location and we were having a nice time. And it was a very, very good experience. I think it's a very good place to visit along with your family on weekend. For a one-day trip, it is an excellent place. More than one day is really not required because you cannot find any accommodation nearby.
टू टाइम्स नीचे से पैरेलल है ना तुम हाँ रेडी
नीलू ट्राई करें लेकिन ट्राई करें
डालो
Beep beep.
तुम्हें आड़ा आ गया खुद अंदर इन तुमला लास्ट टाइम आए जब इतना भी नहीं था कहते ना
बनता है डेवलप करता है
ऊपर का रोड कैसे रहा
If you stay nearby this location, I would advise to come as early as possible to this location because this looks really beautiful during the daytime, and try to spend time till evening. Once the lights are on, this location looks even more beautiful. And we are done for the day and we are planning to go back. It is around 7 o'clock in the evening, and on the way we will maybe stay for a coffee or tea break, and after that we will go directly home. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.